So as I suspected the other day, it did take us all day to clean up in here because it was filthy after the drywall guys left. There's just so much dust everywhere, and the scraps that they left behind, we had to clean all that out of here and wipe down all the walls before we started priming. But Amanda helped me the other day, and we got every room cleaned up, swept out, and all the walls wiped down in the entire house. So today our main objective is to try to get everything in here primed. As you can see, there's some pretty high ceilings in here, so I don't know that we'll get it all done, but that's our goal, is to get the entire house primed. We're taking a break from the spec house today to demo a bathroom for someone who's asked us to do this for probably 6 months now. We finally got around to it. So we're gonna try to get everything out of here today. We've got a dumpster ready to put it in. And Lennon's out of school today for Lennon's out of school for Christmas break, so she's gonna help me. Amanda went to go get some of our tools, and she'll be here any minute. So we're gonna take our new wheelbarrow inside and start tearing this stuff out. Anything to add to that? Awesome. A little hard to tell, but the ceiling actually slopes up in this room from this wall. It's going up to that corner. It's a little vaulted in here. So this wall is the tallest room in the house. And I thought I'd start with it and get it over with. And really, you should get some scaffolding to do something this tall, or a taller ladder. But this is all I've got today, and I really want to get this whole room cut in. I don't recommend anyone standing above that rung on the ladder. There's actually warnings on the ladder saying don't stand here. Full disclosure, you're not supposed to do that. This is all I've got today, so I'm just trying to get it done. Okay, hold on 1 second. So I've cut in this whole part next to the ceiling all the way down, except for just this little portion right here. When I realized that Amanda and I just talked about this morning making this whole wall an accent wall, which will be a different color than the rest of this. Which basically means I spent the last 30 minutes on my tippy toes cutting this whole area in for nothing. We don't actually have the accent color here yet though, so I'm just gonna skip doing what I was doing here and start on this wall. Yay. We are definitely a little bit behind today. We had our trim delivered this morning and it was all delivered outside, so we had to load all that in here. We also had all of our interior doors delivered, which it may be too dark to see, a little spooky. All of our interior doors are in this bedroom, and the sun has pretty much set now, so we've got our heater with the light on it, and I've got my DeWalt flashlight that I opened in the pocket door video, if you saw that one. We've got 2 days until Christmas, and we're really trying to get all this painted in here. Amanda has finished all the bedrooms. They're all ready to go. They're cut in, got 2 coats of paint on them, and this big room's the only one we got left, and that'll probably be the last thing we do in here, but we're trying to get all these walls cut in and rolled, and I've got pretty much all the top cut in all the way around. We're gonna do our best to get this color 2 coats rolled in here tonight and have that part done. Then all we'll have left is the accent wall once the trim's up. Don't say that. Alright guys, we are done for the night. As you can see, it's completely dark outside and we're ready to go home. We're not working tomorrow because Amanda is going to start preparing for Christmas dinner. So today will be our last day working till after the holiday. We've got all the painting done that we were going to do in here. We still have like the accent walls and the trim, but all this main color, we've got it all rolled out. Our next episode will be a little bit here and a little bit at the bathroom renovation we're doing. So we're going to kind of be going back and forth between these 2 jobs. But as always guys, thank you so much for watching, liking and subscribing to our videos. It helps us out so much.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.